Year 2075. New York is no longer the city of lights. The sky stays choked with smoke, and sunlight barely reaches the ground. Rivers have dried up, and the reservoirs are cracked and empty. Clean drinking water is worth more than gold. 16-year-old Emma lives in a crumbling apartment with her grandmother, Martha. Their only lifeline is a worn-out air purifier robot in the corner. It filters the polluted air enough for them to survive. Every trip outside requires a gas mask. One afternoon, Emma asks, "Grandma, was the sky ever blue?" Martha chuckles sadly. "When your father was your age, the world was full of trees, birds, rivers, and spring smelled like flowers." She goes quiet, then adds, "But people didn't care. They cut forests to build malls, burned fuel like there was no tomorrow, and drowned the earth in plastic. The ice melted, the oceans rose. Miami, Houston, and Los Angeles are all underwater now. A deadly heat wave hits. Hospitals overflow. The old can't bear the heat without electricity. No AC, no water. Martha gets sick. There's no room in the clinic." Emma watches helplessly as her grandma slips away. Now alone, Emma refuses to give up. She turns her rooftop into a garden, installs solar panels, and starts teaching children about the earth, what it was, what it could still become. In the final scene, she tells a child, "We failed, but if you choose to do better, maybe Earth can breathe again." Moral: if we don't stop cutting trees and polluting now, the future will only know Earth through stories, not by living on it.